members, Miss Nikki here, and welcome back to Virtually BGCMC. Today, we will be making an origami star box. Let's get folding.
To make your star box, all you'll need is one piece of origami paper. To start off, you will make 2 diagonal triangle folds. The first one, we're going to take this corner and put it to this corner. And go ahead, match up and crease and open. And then on the other side, this corner to this corner. And open back up. And then we're going to flip the paper over and we're going to fold on the horizontal and vertical. So first we'll fold on up for horizontal and crease, and then open, and then we'll fold right here on the vertical and crease. And then you guessed, we will open back up. Now, you can see your paper has been divided into 4 squares and 4 triangles. You are going to do what's called a box fold, where we're going to take these 2 corners, we're going to bring them together. Then you're going to take this side and you're going to gently push in and flatten, and then you will gently push in and flatten. And you'll see that you have now made a square. However, you have one side that has this open part and one side that has a closed part. We're gonna work with the side that is open. Now, facing you, you're going to take one side of these flaps and you're going to fold a kite fold towards you. So that means you're going to take this corner and you're going to fold it to here. And as with most origami, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So here and here. And then we'll flip it over and fold again. Fold and fold. And now what you'll have is what looks a little bit like a kite. See, you have your you have your triangle on the top and you have more of a larger triangle on the bottom. And now we're going to open up these sides. So as you can see, I can open up the side, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open up, push our finger in there and flatten down. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're going to open up and flatten down. And finally, what we're gonna do is we have these creases now. You can see these 2 shapes. One right here and one right here. We're gonna take this side and we're going to tuck it underneath, just like that, and lay it flat. And we're gonna do this to the other side. Tuck it underneath and lay it flat. And now we will flip over and do the same thing. Taking our finger, we're going to push and open. And then taking our finger again, we will push and open. And again, we will take our flap and we will fold. And then we will take our flap over and fold. Now, what you're going to see is a point and a point. You're gonna take these points and you're gonna fold them down. So fold down one side and flip over and fold down the other side. But you have these 2 pieces left. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to fold these down as well, but you have to open up the side and tuck that first fold away. And now you can fold down. And then you'll flip it over. You're going to tuck this fold over, open it up like a book, and fold down. And now what you have is something that is folded with all your tucks and all your points. So now you're going to have this forward. You're going to take two of your flaps and you're going to gently open. And I have mine laying on a table. I'm going to open up another side and the other side. So now you have all your boxes, and then you're going to gently push open your box. And it will open up because of the folds that you have. You just have to go slow. And there you have it, a star box. We hope that you enjoy this tutorial. And if you'd like to send us your star box images, go ahead and send them to virtual@bgcmc.org. And we'll catch you next time. Bye.